Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to enable double press the volume down button to open the camera in Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then choose additional settings from the list, then select gesture shortcuts. Now you need to choose launch camera. Then select double press volume down when the screen is locked. You need to select that. Now we lock the screen. So in the lock screen mode, if you double tap the volume down button, it will automatically open the camera. So if you want to open the camera urgently without opening the phone, you need to double press the volume down button easily. So it will automatically open camera. You can shoot the shot very easily. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.